In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit an endnote in Microsoft Word. Endnotes are a great way to add references, explanations, or extra details without cluttering up the main body of your document. They work similarly to footnotes, but instead of appearing at the bottom of the page, they're grouped together at the end of the document or at the end of each section. This is especially useful for academic papers, reports, or any long document where you want all your notes in one organized place. First, open your Word document and click into the exact spot where you want the endnote reference number to appear. This is usually right after the word, phrase, or sentence you're citing, and it typically comes after punctuation marks like a period or comma. Next, go to the top of the screen and look for the References tab on the ribbon. Click on References, and you'll see a section labeled Footnotes. In that section, you'll find an option that says Insert Endnote. Click that. Word will automatically add a small superscript number at your cursor location, and then jump your cursor to the end of the document, or to the end of the section, depending on your settings. You'll now see the same superscript number at the end of the document, followed by a blinking cursor. This is where you type the content of your endnote. It could be a citation, a source detail, or a brief explanation. Type it just like normal text. If you need multiple endnotes, simply repeat the same process anywhere else in your document where you want another reference. If you want to edit the text of an existing endnote, scroll down to the end of the document where the notes are listed. Click directly into the endnote text and make your changes. You can add or remove words, correct formatting, or paste in a citation. Word will keep the numbering linked automatically, so you don't need to renumber anything manually. To edit the endnote reference in the main text, scroll back to where the tiny superscript number appears. You can move it by cutting and pasting the reference number to a different location in the same paragraph or sentence. Just be careful not to delete it entirely. If you do, that endnote will be removed. Finally, if you want to adjust how endnotes are formatted or where they appear, go back to the References tab and click the small arrow in the Footnotes section to open the settings. Here you can change numbering style, choose whether they appear at the end of each section or at the end of the document, and customize the layout to match your style guide or requirements.